People say that chicken Manchurian is tastier than gobi Manchurian. Let's try making chicken Manchurian. Cut the chicken without bones to a medium size like this. Add salt, maida flour, and of course corn flour too. You may add some Ajino if you feel like. Break an egg and empty it into this. Mix all this well so that they are integrated with one another. Mix it in this manner. We are going to fry this now. Fry this in medium flame. The chicken has turned golden brown. Now keep the fried chicken aside. We need to prepare a sauce for this. When the oil is heated up, put cut onions into the pan. It need not be fried fully, just a little would do. Add ginger garlic paste to it and keep stirring till the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. Now add soya sauce, chili sauce too, and then stir it well. After stirring well, add vinegar. Add salt to taste and add Ajino if you feel like, or else not necessary. Add pepper powder to it and stir it well. Add a little water. Add spring onions. After putting spring onions, fry it for 1 minute. Now add the chicken pieces to it. After putting the chicken pieces, mix it well. Toss the contents. Your chicken Manchurian is ready. If you want more gravy, then when we added water earlier, if more water and corn flour is added to it, you would get more gravy. The dish will be soft and juicy, and I'm sure you would like to serve this to one and all.